Okay, but when we open his profile, it's mentioned here in the title. Here in the title.
Is it also possible to mention the competitor's name in the in Google, where you mentioned in title and in URL?
Yeah, pretty much possible. Yeah, that is just the additional keyword.
We can mention the competitor's name also.
Pretty much.
Okay.
So is it getting recorded? Can you please confirm? Okay, it's getting. Okay. So first command in URL linkedin.com/in. So we got that. Second command in title sub editor or editing. Third command Bangalore or Bengaluru. So now we can see a profiles. Now if you see here, we got from Delhi NCR. Here we got the profile from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Here we got the profile who just mentioned India. Here again from Delhi NCR. Now how can we further customize our search? Okay, Bangalore urban, well and good. Bangalore urban, well and good. Bangalore urban. Bangalore urban. Mumbai, Maharashtra. Is my internet slow? No, it's pretty much good. India. Okay, Delhi. So now, why instead of asterisk, I wanted to cover this around. So Delhi, first word, India, second word, 500 plus third, and connections fourth. India first, 500 plus second, and connections third. Mumbai first, Maharashtra second, India third, 500 plus 4, and fifth is a connections. Bangalore word first word, urban second word, Karnataka third word, India fourth word, 380. India fourth, 385th, and connection is sixth. Bangalore first word, urban second word, Karnataka third word, India fourth word, 500 plus is fifth, and connection is sixth. So here the logic is, when we use a word Bangalore, okay, from this Bangalore, I wanted this connections word, because I see this connections is constant. This might be non-constant. It could be Delhi, it could be India, anything. I might give in my search. We did give Bangalore, but we got a profile from other location, Mumbai, because they would have written or they would have stayed in a Bangalore in past. Or somewhere that Bangalore keyword is there in their profile. So that is the reason this profile has been showed up. Or maybe here also there might be some of the profile they would have mentioned. So let's see, where is that Bangalore? Or maybe these people. So from the entire web page. So somewhere there might be some Bangalore word, it might be. So that's the reason this profile showed up. Even LinkedIn activity also. Yes, absolutely. It could be somewhere. So that reason this profile has showed up here. Even this person also editor at LinkedIn, India, but this Bangalore word could be anywhere. India, okay, let's see here, Bengaluru, here it is. So that's the reason this profile showed up, Bangalore or Bengaluru, okay? Or this profile, Delhi. Most probably they might be previously stayed here, Bangalore. So that's the reason that's showing up. Though currently they are not in Bangalore, but those profiles are showing up. So to customize it further, to optimize this search further, to make it more focused, what we are doing is we are trying to understand a number of words difference between first word to last word. So connections is something on every profile. We understood from every LinkedIn profile, this is something constant as a feature where it shows how many connections the person has. Is it 500 plus or 100 plus, 120, 130, 140 number of connections. And if it goes beyond 500, it just shows 500 plus connection. It doesn't show anything beyond that. But we know connections word is something which is constant, and this word is something which is around the location. And that is where we are using a keyword or operator Bangalore or Bengaluru around how many words. In few example, it was fourth or it was fifth or it was sixth maximum, around 6. Which word is connections, and give enter. And now we see 100% result what we have either from Bengaluru or Bangalore. Bengaluru Karnataka, Bengaluru Karnataka, Bengaluru Karnataka. Let's see this person now. Where is he? Bengaluru Karnataka, Bengaluru Urban, Bengaluru Karnataka, Bengaluru Karnataka, Bengaluru Karnataka, Bengaluru Karnataka, Bengaluru area. This around is such a beautiful operator. I'll tell you later why in later sessions. Even he is from Bangalore. Bengaluru Karnataka, Bengaluru Karnataka, 100% is from Bangalore because we have used that particular operator. Bangalore. So I'm only opening the results which is not showing a Bangalore, just to understand why and how, what are those results. Yeah, Bangalore connections. Though it was not showing on the first page, but it's here. Bangalore connections. Bangalore connections. Bangalore connections. Bangalore connections. Bangalore connections. Bangalore connections. So this is a previous one which we opened. So yeah, now 100% we have our results from Bangalore. If I can repeat a search with omitted results, we got around 28 lakh matching our search criteria. Okay, so whenever you use operator, good question. So this is how it has to be used. First set Bangalore or Bengaluru. Okay, around 6 and then connection. Similarly, I'll go for, I want only diversity editors or female candidates. Okay, now we have used this operator for the location. Now let's use some diversity focused keywords, something like women's or women or girls or ladies. We'll come to that. I'll come to why not she, her, and all. I'll come to that also. Women's, engineering, girls, ladies. What else?
Female.
Female. So let's keep it limited. Then again, AROUND, around. Around should be in capital. I want around 6 words. So 6 is not number of connections. Don't get confused when we used around 6 here. It's not number of connections. It's around number of words. So here also around, maybe if not 6, I'll say around 5 words. 5 words frontwards or 5 words backward. So I wanted Google to give any one word from this set which has around 5 words, words like school or college or institute or university or girls hostel or ladies hostel. People would have stayed and would have written. Okay, now we give search. So now we'll see 90% would be the diversity result. Only 10% might not be a diversity result because non-diversity people, male candidates would have mentioned about an activity they're doing something around women's education or women's institution or something like that. But 90%, if you see, now we have diversity search result. And that around, how that operator worked out is it's taking any one word from a set, this women or females, and which has any one word from these words, school, college, or university, and is around these two different set of one word from the set of a diversity keywords like ladies, female, and all, and second word from the set of a school, college, or university, such kind of a word. So these two words, one word from set 1, one word from set 2, are around 5 words. It could be 5 words backward or 5 words frontwards, like women's, Web Cardiff University. Okay, here it might be in the profile somewhere. Okay, Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women. Institute, we have taken one word here. Okay, institute, and here one word. So institute is coming first. It could be backward or forward. Remember, there is no compulsion that it should be only frontward if we give this words in a front side and not in a backhand side. It could be frontward or backward. So that's an institute, though we have given in a frontward, but it has come in a backward and frontward women, one of the word. Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women. Girls schools, girls high school. Okay. Around should be in capital. Why? Means that's an operator we have to give like that. The way we are using and or not in capital only, around also should be in capital.
Okay, Shiva, this around 5, it is used to mention school, college, institute, because we want to find these words, right? What
exactly, maybe from their educational,
it is mentioned after 5 words.
Maybe from their educational part, we're just trying to take it. Yeah, it's just that how candidates might write and where they might write. Your question is absolutely correct, but it's just that how they might write. So we just have to find out the pattern of the LinkedIn page, how and where that information could be written, and we would get a most appropriate profiles. Like Ashoka Girls Residential School. So girls and school, this is around 5 words. Okay, like women's and college.
So if someone has mentioned maybe after 7 words, so we won't get that profile, right?
Yes. So if you want to expand that, you can expand for 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10, I think you can expand.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, Satish, you were saying using she, her, and all. That also will give us most appropriate results. But sometimes when I recommend a diversity person that she's the best, then my profiles also pops out. So that's reason sometimes I don't use that, but yes, I do use that. So to make that one, that's it. Okay, now, yeah, tell me, Ankit, what are the competitors you want to add now? So these are the editors, that to diversity editors. Another thing. Satish?
Yeah, Shiv, my question got answered. I think Ankit has a question here.
Yeah, Ankit, yeah. INC42 InShots. Are this the company, Your Story, INC42 InShots? Your Story, I know.
Yes. These are the competitors.
Okay. Times? Times Internet? Times something is there now?
Just Times we can.
Times
Another
Internet is the name.
Pardon?
At times word would come, may not be a Times company, but Your Story. Okay. What else? Can you please name few of the companies?
It's VOG.
INC42 InShots.
Yes. Remaining name I am. Let me try in chat box.
Let's keep this much for now. So yeah, from Your Story Media, From Your Story, we have a couple of profiles, number of profiles, in fact. Your Story Media content, digital marketing. Your Story. In short, Your Story. So they might not be currently at that company. They might be previously in that company or might have written something at that company, but most probably, yes, you'll get most appropriate results. There might be some false positive results, always 10-20%, but yeah, at least 70-80% we get the best.
And apart from Bangalore, if we can write just India, then it will going to give the results from pan India locations.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's say now Bangalore we removed. Connections also I'll remove.
Shiva, we can use around n number of times.
Unless we are not exhausting 32 keywords.
Okay, and these 32 keywords, I just wanted to check. It's like you have mentioned in brackets, right? Assistant, sub, editor. So these will be 3 words or 1 word?
I didn't get you.
So like under inverted commas, we have mentioned assistant, sub, editor. So these will be counted as 3 words or 1 word?
No. Edit, editor, editing, 3 words only. It would not be a 1 word.
Okay, so even though if it is mentioned under inverted commas, it will be counted as a separate word, right? Okay,
assistant sub editor, right? You're asking? It will be as a 1 word only. No, it will be counted as a 1 word only. But these 3 different terms, assistant sub editor or editing, would be 3 different words.
Okay, fine.
Shiv, with respect to 32 keyword limit, she is asking, assistant sub editor would be considered as 1 word or 3 words?
Yeah. If it is given within the course, it could be considered as 1 word. We'll have to check the URL pattern and try to identify, is it taking as a 1 word or is it taking as a 3 different word? So now if we come here, so that's the reason we have to keep on observing the URL pattern. So if you see editor,
that
and this is taking
important.
in a quotations. So assistant plus sub plus editor, it's taking as a one word.
Yeah, as it is, one word.
Yes. So women or women's, girls, ladies, female, around school, college, institute, university, hostel, your story, INC photo, in short, Vogue. Yeah. You want this string, Ankit?
She just want to know one last point. India, you write without any bracket, and Bangalore, you write in the bracket. To make the clarification in terms of Bangalore and Bangalore.
Sure. So some people are writing nowadays Bangalore. Some people are writing Bengaluru. Some people are writing Anekal. If you see Bangalore urban, so there are a lot of variations of Bangalore, Bengaluru, Anekal, Haskote, and all. So what are the combinations we get?
Thank you. I understand, and thanks for the posting this. I think Boolean string. This is called a Boolean string, right?
Yeah. So Bangalore,
in chat which you mentioned.
ANEKL, Anekal. Some of the profiles I'm seeing from Bangalore, they're writing Anekal, Haskote, or Jigani. No? Around 6 word connections. Yeah, now I got a diversity profiles from editing history, from your story or a list of relevant companies, whichever we have given, and then from Bangalore. Super, this looks interesting. Yeah, Greater Bangalore, yes, but when we have given Bengaluru, just one word is enough actually. Bengaluru will take all greater, lower, all the variations of Bengaluru. Same goes with Bangalore urban. We did not take an Bangalore urban, we just taken Bangalore. So everything it takes. So something like if I say software engineers, okay. So software development engineer, software engineer, or there are very many variations of software engineer. So what I do is like I just keep in title software and in title engineer. So it takes all the software engineers. So it's all about how smartly we are using these operators. So I think it's getting too much for today. I'll just give a pause over here and just discuss in case if you have any questions or anything. And please do practice for about a week of time. Next week, again, we'll connect back for further learnings. So we are pending with asterisk, but we pretty much covered related, in URL, in title. In text, we don't really have to give it because whatever the keywords we are giving, whatever the searches we are giving, by default, it's taking from the text only. So in text, we can give, or it's actually not required now. It's outdated actually. Whatever like keywords like sub-editor, we already given in title, women, girls, these are all the text only. Okay, in text also, if I don't put, it doesn't make sense because these are all the text from the web page, which is taking in text this set of words, around 5 in text this set of words. So in text doesn't really have to mention, it's already by default it's given. Your story, these are also coming in from the in text only. So in text we don't really have to. Bangalore, Bengaluru, Anekal, everything is from the in text, so we don't really have to use it. And then around, any questions around?
Around we can give the numbers till 7 or 8 also. Is it fine?
Till 10 also you can give.
Till 10 also. And yeah, in the brackets, the content which has been mentioned.
Yes, as it is, it has to be given.
So it must be in small letters only.
Which one?
Anything mentioned in the bracket.
Numbers do not have a small or capital, right?
No, I'm asking about in the Google URL, which you have mentioned, like women's, woman, girls, ladies, female. These are all in smalls.
No, those can be anything is fine. A small, capital, anything is. Those are not case sensitive. See, operators are case sensitive and or not around are case sensitive. Similarly, related, in URL, in title, in text, operators. These are all the operators and or not, related, in URL, in text, in title, around. These are all the operators. So all the operators are case sensitive. Some are in a big caps are like and or not around, and some are operator commanding operators like related, in URL, in title, in text. Those are the commanding operators which are in a small caps. Only these are case sensitive. Rest keywords, however you use it. This sales manager, SM could be small, capital, anything. Keywords are not case sensitive. Only operators are case sensitive.
Thank you so much, Shiv. Thank you.
So Shiv, Himanshu here.
Yeah.
And in URL operator, you have used LinkedIn just now, and you have seen the example to us. So can we use GitHub and Stack Overflow also?
Anything we can use. Anything you can use. We just have to understand the URL pattern of those particular sites and give us searches. That is something which we'll cover in our next session. Today, for an example, we covered LinkedIn. In our next session, we'll cover Quora, we'll cover GitHub, or various sites we'll cover. Otherwise, it would be too much for today. So we'll go slow, but we'll build strong.
Okay, Shiva, I have one question on this around. So the first around you have given, you have mentioned around 6 connections, right? So I didn't
It's not connection, it's number of words. So that's what I'm saying. Don't get confused. This around 5. So, okay, which example is that? This one you're asking, right? Okay, here we have connections now. Wait a second. Okay, so any one word from this set, Bangalore, Bengaluru, Anikal, Haskote, Jigani, any one word from this set, which has around within 6 words. Around is operator, 6 is number of words. Within how many words? I wanted a second word called connections. It's not 6 connections. It's not 7 connection. This is within around the number of words, within around 5 number of word, 4 number of word, 10 number of words, or 6 number of words. As we see in the LinkedIn individual profile, Bangalore, if I count Bangalore as a first word, then Bangalore, comma, Karnataka, second word, India, third word, like this. Kottayam, first word, second word, third word, 62, fourth word, and then connection is a 5th word. So I'm trying to give a command where Bangalore or Bengaluru or Anikal or whichever the Bangalore related keywords, which should come here, within here, and within around connection word is mentioned, because I know connections is something which is a constant on every LinkedIn profile. So I would take some of the words which are around this connection to get a person from the accurate location. So that is where we have used it. Around 6 is not for the number of words. It's for a number of words around that 2 different words. It's not for the number of connections, sorry.
Okay. So that means around is used in between 2, right? So that the second
in between
around
2 words, exactly.
Okay.
Around is used in between 2 words, which are around those many number of words. And how many number of words we want? That many number of words we can keep up to 10, starting from 1 to 10.
Yes. Here. Understood. Yeah.
Okay. It doesn't have to do a behavior of connections or anything. It is just used between 2 different words, and between how many 2 different words? Yeah. Those many number of words we should be writing here. Meeting, we are getting timed out. It might get exhausted in next 10 minutes. Around X fetches pages that contains a search words within X words for each other around X. Satish, can you be a bit clear about this? Can you unmute yourself?
I meant to say, yeah, I meant to say, like, say for example, we are putting 5. Within 5, like, it fetches, right? The pages which have,
exactly
these words.
Within, yeah. Yes, exactly.
I just wanted to emphasize the word within here, as in need not necessarily
no,
be 5.
X, I thought you were saying something else. X number of words you mean to say, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Within those number of words. 2 words within how many number of words? 5 number of words, 6 number of words, 10 number of words, like woman or women's or girls or ladies or institute. Like this is the first set, women, girls, ladies or female. First set, any one word from the first set and any one word from the second set, which are in and around 5 words. That's where we got the result like this. Like college for women,
the first
girls school.
The first operator that we have given, that will be appended to first string, right? And second operator for the second string.
Second string, exactly. So don't try to use around consistent, 2 different around consistently. It might get confused. First you use one around, then second you use something else. Like if I say this is our second around operator, in between we have used a list of companies to be targeted. Before that, we have used these 2 sets again, first set. That's an interesting operator, actually. It makes a life so much easy.
Yeah.
We just have to understand how to use that. So once I go for search for omitted results, and we'll get all those. All right. So that's it for today. I think this is also too much for today. In case if you still have any follow-up questions, next week we'll have first one workshop. After completing the workshop on our previous first and today's second session, we'll move on to the third session again on next Sunday. Next Saturday, we'll spend only on a workshop, only on a practice. You run some of the searches during weekdays. And if you got stuck, save those searches. Then we'll run through those searches. We try to understand what went wrong, or if you try to invent and find something while doing your searches within this much within the area of 2 sessions which we have covered. Feel free to share so that we all can learn. All right.
Done. Thank you.
So fine then, let's back up for the day. I think it's getting useful day by day and getting interesting day by day.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so this is how it will be. Let's be on top of it. And thank you so much. Have a happy week and let's meet next weekend. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure.
Can you please put that string in WhatsApp group, diversity string?
Sure, both the strings I'll put. Thank you. Bye-bye. Let me put the string first, otherwise we might miss.
In second group also, if you can able to share.
Yeah.
Second group. Shiv, can I ask one question out of all this?
Yeah, sure.
See, you teach us that from the Google and from the LinkedIn, we can get the links of the profiles. But as we have the free access of the LinkedIn, but once we got the profiles open, then how to get connected with that particular profiles? Is there any
We'll cover that in our later on sessions. We'll cover that as well.
Okay. Thank you so much.
We'll cover everything is in place. We'll cover slowly.
Sure.
Thanks, Shiv. You have been a great help. You have a great weekend. I wouldn't say weekday ahead. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Have a great week. I'm not disconnecting it because if I disconnect, I might miss this chat. So
yeah.
Okay. All right then. Thank you. Thanks everyone.
Bye.
Thank you so much, Shiv. Thanks. Take care.
Take care. Bye.